How to follow people on TikTok PC. If you want to follow people using TikTok PC, first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser, and on the address bar you're just going to search for tiktok.com and hit enter. Once you have done that, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. So simply go ahead and log into your account. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on the login option and click on the profile option right here. And once you get to your profile, you just have to make sure that you are following some people and your videos will also be shown here. Then the next thing you need to do is head over to the Explore page or the For You page and then find the person that you want to follow. So let me just randomly open up this person's profile here. What I can do is simply click on this follow button like this to start following them. Or what you can also do is follow them from the For You page as well. So I'm just going to go back here, and if you see this plus icon here, you could directly click on it to go ahead and follow the profile. So let me just click on this plus, and here is the check mark, meaning that I've followed this profile. And it's as easy as that. Now if you want to remove them from your following list, click on their profile, and you can also click on this to unfollow them. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.